Now, where's he at? This was his idea. Man, he need to come on. Ain't nobody got time to be waiting on him. I got aphids to eat. Talking about we need to exercise our wings all the time. I work. I'm always flying. What you doing over there, butterfly? It's a breathing exercise. You can talk all you want, but see, I'm on a different wavelength. I understand that you two haven't went through your transformation yet. I have. Hey man, you gotta spread them wings. I ain't mad at you. What's up, y'all? Well, it's about time. My bad. My bad. I love you, Fly, but you really disgust me. A little trash can on the way. I had to stop to see what they had. I got stuff to do. I got a garden I gotta be at. It's a woman getting a tattoo of me later on. Fly bow. You gotta work out. It's my variation of tie bow. We're just gonna call it fly bow. If you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. You never know what trouble may be looking for you. He ain't wrong when he right. What you said, you got to stay ready. You never know what danger is lurking out there. You never know. And just take it from me. Because I'm a float like a butterfly, but I'm a sting like a bee. Y'all know me. Yeah.